This is the asphalt at LaHabra before the seal and repairs. That was the main driveway. This is by Unit A. This is the area in front of B, the vacancy. You can see where the repairs will need to be done in the main driveway. There is a gutter swale. You see areas of divots, broken wheel stops. Tenants will have to move some things. You see weeds growing under that truck there. A little bit of oil, but it's not bad. You can see some allegations here. Looks like they're draining some weird, maybe soapy material there. That was Unit F. This is the area between F and G. That's G and H. This area is not as bad as others. There's a old patch. Seems like there's good fall in this area, especially across where the parking spaces are. This is concrete. And then the back area. You can see a little breaking up right there where the trash truck maybe dumps the bin. LaHabra's asphalt.